Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial with me here today. And in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to reinstall WordPress. Why do we need that? Well, sometimes resetting WordPress does not help and you just need a completely brand new installation. And that's as well good if your website has been hacked, you have a lot of garbage on your website, and a good way is just to delete the complete domain and reinstall it completely fresh from scratch. And I'm going to show you that exactly here today, because one of my domains has still lots of problems. I was not able to make it work with a resetup from WordPress, so I will just make a completely reinstallation and I'm going to walk you through. So first of all, what we need here, we need a tool called FileZilla. So if you haven't got the tool, download it. Just type in YouTube or Google FileZilla and you will be able to download that. You should have your access to your server. If not, reach out to your hosting company, they will give you that. Just logging into here now. Let's log in. One second. Okay, great. Yeah, so we are here now on my hosting, on my HostGator hosting. So this works with most of the hosting companies. This process looks the same, and you just move to public HTML. Oh, sorry, public HTML, and here you have all your domains in here. So in my case, in my example, I have this domain here. Okay. So what we want to do, we want to delete all the files in here. Yeah. So we just delete all the files in this folder here. Yes, we want to delete them all. Just wait, it'll take a couple seconds. Yeah, takes a little bit longer, looks like, but it's just the easiest way how to do that. In the meantime, we're going to log into our cPanel. So cPanel, what cPanel is, I think you should know that. When you bought your hosting, you should get an email from that with your cPanel login details. If you haven't got cPanel access, reach out to a hosting company, they will give you that. You should, but if you're using any kind of hosting, you should always have access to a cPanel. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to log into now. Just going to look where my email is. Just going to need the link here. HostGator. HostGator. Where is it? Oh, here we got it. Okay. cPanel. The link should look like this. So this is my cPanel login to HostGator. I'm just going to click here. And then you should have access to cPanel. Let's log into here. Okay, great. I'm fine, thanks. So let's see how we're looking here. Still deleting slowly. It's really slow. So maybe I just delete a few seconds out of this video to move a lot faster on. So I'm going to delete a few seconds out of this video, so see you soon. Okay guys, so as we can see now, we are empty. Let's double check that by going to public HTML and then going again into the folder. As you can see, it is empty. So it took now around half an hour, and to be honest with you, I was expecting that this is a lot faster. I had around 6,000 files on that domain only, so as you can see, there's really a lot of data what I just deleted. And make sure before you delete everything, make sure you just as an example here, just copy the whole domain to a folder. In this case, I just copied this folder into here, and then all the files from this domain will be copied into here. That way you will have a good backup here if something is going wrong or you lose data what you still need. Okay, so back to WordPress cPanel. WordPress cPanel. HostGate to a cPanel or your hosting company, depends on which hosting company your GoDaddy, Namecheap, they're pretty all using the same cPanel. So we have now here a completely clean domain. So what we're going to do here, get started with WordPress today. We're going to start a fresh install completely from scratch. Install WordPress. We're going to install WordPress, and we're going to pick ping CPA Elite here. Perfect. Admin user, admin, and we are good to go. Admin email. Okay, perfect. Install WordPress. And now we're going to just no thanks. We're just going to click away. And we have to write that as well in here. Okay. Okay, great. We're going to do that, of course. And then we're going to install it. So now, as you can see, your install is running here. We're going to click here. And we're going to wait for that now. As you can see, your install is complete. So, and once your install is complete, you just click here, and then you got the user ID and the password. So I'm not going to show that to you, of course. Just click here, and then you're going to save that to an editor file that you can later on save that to your password manager. Okay, so sorry, just 3 monitors here. Okay. Okay. Okay, great. So we should be ready now here. Okay, then you have the file where you get access to, on this file where you have the password, the admin, the username, and the password. There's also a link where you can get to your dashboard where you can log in. This is then your domain name, and then /WP minus login.php that you will need to log in. We just go here, and then we're going to use here, of course, we're going to need the new password and the new admin, the new username. Going to log in here. Perfect. We're going to save that, of course. And as you can see, we have here a brand new WordPress without any crap. We're going to check that now in here, of course. Public HTML. Refresh. As you can see, from today, all files are from. Okay, yeah, not today, but most of these files are pretty much up to date, so that's pretty good then. That's what we just wanted to do. And now we're going to install all the things what we need on here, and I have a lot of training available as well, so if you need any kind of help, just check out my YouTube channel. I have tons of trainings there. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will post a ton of value for you for free that will help your business to grow and to solve problems. And I will thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope I was able to help you, and see you soon in one of my other videos. Bye bye.